All right, in this video, we're going to take a look at colors. So that's one thing that Materialize is really good with is colors. There's so many to choose from. There's different shades of colors we can use. And this is for text as well as background colors for just about any element. All right, so what I have is just a bunch of paragraphs. They all have the same dummy text inside of them. And we're going to look at some of the color classes. Now, first thing we'll look at is text colors, okay? So for text colors, we're going to give these classes of a color name. So let's say red and then dash text. So if I go ahead and save that, you'll see that that is now red text. All right, so let's add some other colors here. So we'll say class equals, and let's do blue dash text. All right, so for this one, let's say we'll do orange dash text, and let's do green text, yellow. So these are kind of the standard colors, or just the more common colors. There's some other ones as well that aren't so common that I'll show you in a minute. So we have purple. And many frameworks just have like 4 or 5 colors. There's just a ton with Materialize. So we have pink, and we have gray, all right, and for this one here, let's do brown text. And we also have white text. All right, so let's go ahead and save that. And now you can see all these different colors we have. The white text you can't see because it's on a white background. But if you have a dark background color, you're going to want to use white text. Okay, so we also have some less common colors. So one of these is deep purple. So if we say deep dash purple dash text and save, you'll see it's kind of a different purple than this one here. And we also have indigo. So we'll say indigo dash text and save, and that gives us kind of a different color, purple or indigo. We also have cyan. So cyan text. We have teal. Teal text. We have lime. We have amber dash text, and we can do light green. Oh, forgot the class there. All right, and then for this paragraph here, let's do deep orange. And then for this final one, we're going to do a blue-gray. So blue-gray dash text. So let's save that. And now you can see we have a whole nother group of less common colors, I called them. Okay, so if you want to look more into the different colors, if you go to the Materialize documentation, let's see, let's click on this and let's go to, I think it's CSS color, and you'll see all the different color palettes. So we have red, pink, so these are just basically all the colors we've used, purple, deep purple, blue. I'm pretty sure I used all of them. Cyan. Oh, we also have light blue. I didn't use that. Green, we use that. Lime. So all the different color palettes, and we're going to get into the different shades as well. But right now what I want to do is look at background colors. So what I'll do is copy all the standard colored paragraphs, and I'm going to go down here, and I'm just going to replace this here, all these paragraphs, and then just remove the word text. Okay, and what that does is it makes the background that color, not the text. If you want the text color, then you need to include just dash text. If not, it'll do the background. So let's go back and save. And now you can see we have our background colors. All right, now there is some padding to these paragraphs because for this file, I just added a style of 5-pixel padding. If we didn't have this, then we wouldn't have as much space around the paragraph. But I figured that adding that makes it look a little better and you can see the color a little better. All right, so that's how we can add the background colors. Now, if you have, for instance, let's say this purple background, you're probably going to want white text on that. So we could go ahead and also add the class of white dash text and save, and now we have white text. All right, you can do any color text. Let's say for this yellow, we wanted to do green text, which will look really ugly, but we can do it. Okay. And then we also have our less common colors as backgrounds. So what I'll do is copy those and we'll just replace these standard paragraphs and just remove the word text from all of these. So I'll go ahead and use some VS Code magic. I can do Control D in VS Code. It'll just select all of those and I'll just delete them. All right, so we'll save that, and now we have our background colors with these less common colors. All right, so now let's take a look at darken and lighten. So let's take this first paragraph and let's add a class of red and save. All right, so it gives us a red background. Now we have different levels of darken and lighten, so I'm going to go ahead and say darken. Actually, I'll leave this one at red so we can see the difference. But then this next one here, I'm going to add a class of red again, and then darken-1. All right, so if I save that, you'll see that it's slightly darker than the regular red. And then for this one, we'll again say red, and we'll say darken-2. For this one, we'll say red. Oops, we need a class. So we'll say red and darken-3, and it goes up to 4. So this one will be red and darken-4 and save. And now you can see it just gets darker as it goes up, as the number goes up. And at the same time, we have lighten. So I'm going to just copy all of these and go ahead and paste these here. And I'm just going to change the darken. So again, I'll do Control D to select all these darkens and change them to lighten and save. And now you can see that they get progressively lighter as the number goes up. Okay, so that's it for colors, guys. We have a lot of options, so you can add colors to buttons, to divs, paragraphs, anything at all. All right, so I will see you in the next video.